Hi, I'm Kamya Rukni from Karma, and
I'm Mahin Kardar Ali, and you want to go?
we're here today at a shoot which has been arranged by FAQ magazine. I think it's their 4th issue, and they've taken 14 designers who've graduated from the Pakistan School of Fashion Design and 14 of our best models, and we've all done a dress each. It's a fantastic concept. It's really lovely to be able to do a shoot in such a large scale, and we've all done individual pieces, keeping the girls in mind and also doing work that is representative of our labels. So I've dressed ZQ and Mahin has dressed Amina.
And it was very interesting for us to do, firstly because like Kamyar said, it's a lovely concept to work with our class fellows again and see what all our colleagues are making, and to work with the best girls in the industry. And secondly because we have a wide spectrum of aesthetic at Karma, and since we both got to do a dress each, we got to show that in our dresses. Like Kamyar's dress is very, very sparkly and sexy and very movie star, old Hollywood glamour, and mine is very, very feminine and girly, and it's very ethereal. And it was wonderful to design for the girls.
And plus we love making dresses, so for us it was just perfect and good for FAQ to do something on this large scale. I wish.
No, it's been great. It's wonderful to work with FAQ. They've got a great vision, and we've had a great time working with them. They've been so cooperative, and thoroughly enjoyed making our dresses. We've been obsessed with them for the past 2 weeks, and we've been doing our fittings with the girls and our consultations on the phone, and we've just thoroughly enjoyed making these dresses.
It's been great fun, and the fun is about to actually escalate now.
I know, we're just going up to shoot all the pictures, so we're all very excited. The girls have been parading around in their dresses, and it gives me immense joy to see them in it, and it's wonderful. It's been great. Well done, FAQ.